Man, Florida is getting pounded one after the other. All these hurricanes. Now look at this, the hurricane tax. Ian is going to be, look at right here, the largest insured loss in U.S. history. Unbelievable. What's going to happen is the hurricane insurance that was $300-400 a year is now rumored to be $5,000 or $10,000 a year. If you have to pay that much insurance, imagine what's going to happen to the house price. We don't have to imagine very hard, right? We know that as prices go up, home prices got to come down. So this could change Florida forever.